Welcome back. So I didn't die, that's always a bonus. Okay guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, it's gonna be a special video, one that we haven't done, something we haven't tried. So if the overall end product is a little bit sketchy, you know, we've tried our hardest. Whew. It's gonna be a treat. So if you guys don't know by the title, the car that we're gonna be doing a little feature video sort of thing, it's a friend of mine called Elliott. He's got an AE86. Now that's like a really old school, is it a Corolla? It's kind of a bit like a Corolla. It's like his baby. So yeah, enough of me just jibber jabbing at you guys. Let's just have a look at the car because it is, woo, it's special. Let's go.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you do. 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 Send me. Darling,
I just fell in love with it instantly. I found the previous owner on some Japanese forum. I saw a load of photos of the car. Ended up contacting him using Google Translate and then ended up becoming friends with him on Facebook. He used to race it. I've got quite a lot of photos of it on the scuba circuit in Japan. But other than that, I think it started its life out as a drift car and then he ended up changing it into a time attack vehicle.
you
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you really enjoyed that one. We really enjoyed making it, and it's going to be something that we're going to keep pushing out, maybe like once a month. We've got a couple of other really cool cars to show you, so hopefully you're going to really enjoy it. If you liked it that much, why don't you give me a subscribe if that's something that you're into. Give it a like, absolutely, if you enjoyed watching it. So yeah, I'll see you next time on the next video, which will be the Wash Wednesday. Make sure you tune in. If you've missed on any of the others, click on the links down below or on the side panel or somewhere up here to our previous videos. Oh, and can't wait to see you next time. Peace.